4 cups of flour, half a cup of milk to the 4 cups of flour. Tahini, half a cup of tahini. Now, add half a cup of oil, chopped walnuts,
1 cup.
1 cup of chopped walnuts, salted 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And now we're adding some baking powder.
Yes.
We are blending all of the ingredients together for our dessert. And Nermeen is using her best tool, her hands. Press the dough down into the bottom of a pan. And then use a fork to make horizontal lines. A fork is used to create a decorative pattern on the dough, and now it's going to be put into the oven and baked. The simple syrup is cooking right now. It's about to come to a boil. We have our water and our sugar, and we want to keep it making your simple syrup. You want to add a few drops of fresh lemon juice to the simple syrup because that prevents crystallization. Syrup is ready. You're going to pour in grape molasses or grape syrup into the simple syrup. Now we're pouring the simple syrup. You can hear that sizzle over the dough that just came out of the oven. It's like lava. It's bubbling away.
Oh yeah.
It is alive.
Oh wow, it is bubbling.
It's bubbling. It's like a lava cake. You can see that a lot of the syrup has been absorbed by the pastry dough, and this thing has a life of its own. It's like it's alive. Now we are sprinkling some crushed walnuts on top of our dessert, and you can see most of the liquid has been absorbed.